Now we've got the 15mm lens looking at Venus crossing the face of the sun, and some sunspots in there as well. I'm going to try to hold the camera steady while I keep it centered with the direction finders.
You tell me what to
Hit the arrow that's pointing down. A little more. 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 Perfect. See, Venus is almost exactly the same size as Earth. It's 7,600 miles in diameter. The Earth is 7,926 miles in diameter. So, it gives us some idea of the Sun's size. Remember, the Sun is 93 million miles from Earth. Venus is 67 miles from the Sun, so it's about 26 million miles from Earth at this time. So it's a perfectly round dot. Again, this is the last transit of Venus until the year 2117. So might be able to see some sunspots here. I'll go to the right a little bit. There's some sunspots. So you can see Venus along with some pretty good sized sunspots. Venus's atmosphere is 99% carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. Yeah. See the Earth, Jupiter's moon Io, and they haven't yet discovered active volcanism on Venus, but they know that it's there's strong evidence for it, and that's one of the things that heated it so much. That and the carbon dioxide. Its atmosphere is 90 times heavier than Earth's, so that makes it just inhospitable. You can imagine a surface temperature of 900 degrees Fahrenheit at a pressure equivalent to 1/2 mile below the ocean. It's just not there's no life there, certainly as we know it. We've landed a couple probes on its surface. Well, the Soviet Union landed a series of probes in the 1970s and 1980s called the Venera space probe series. And those probes lasted at most 50 minutes to an hour on the surface there, just because of the intense heat and pressure. It's a beautiful sunshiny day here in Bartlett, Tennessee. We're really thankful for this opportunity. The weather's just been fabulous. It cooperated. We've been able to get some really good video of this transit. Yes, the filter, this is a Celestron, 8-inch Celestron reflecting telescope with a flip video camera held up to the 15mm lens right now, and the filter is black polymer. Was it 9G, something like that? RG. And we bought that from Thousand Oaks Optical out in Arizona. And it arrived just in time yesterday, so we were grateful for that. And it fits on the end of the telescope effect. Let's take a look at it right now. So this is the filter, and it just slides over the end. It's not bolted down or anything like that, but it blocks 99.999% of the light. So in other words, almost all of it. But still, enough gets through, as we can see watching the video, to see it quite well. But again, it's very important to be safe, and this filter does the job. Thank you for watching.